Te Huripureiata, whakakauta mai ia whakarere iho ana te kakau o te hoe. Ko manini tua, ko manini aro, katangi te pura, katangi wiwini, katangi te pura, katangi wawana.
I don't want our people to feel like they are less than the rangatira that they are. If I was to draw that down specifically to my family, to my hapu, to my circle of influence, I have vowed to the gods that my people will never ever feel less than the rangatira that they are, that they will never feel what that poverty feels like. And not poverty in money sense, but poverty in terms of wealth, of language, of culture, and all those type of things. And again, being brought up here in Blenheim, and even from other Māori, we would quite often get remarks that we were South Island Māori, that we don't speak te reo and all those type of things. And if I was to think about the young Kiley Nepia that grew up here in Blenheim and Marlborough, one of the most bullied, white privileged places you could be brought up in, I actually didn't feel abundance. I came from a position of poverty, not internally, but something that was continually oppressed upon me. And it was almost that I was living in a dual world, because at school, I knew that I didn't fit in, that I was pohara, that I was Māori, but then what we were doing up here at the marae in terms of revitalising our language, our culture, building the first whare nui here in Te Tauihu, you can't help but come from a place of abundance. And even if I was to look at this place here, it was a wasteland turned into fertile ground where seeds were planted and where abundance was the option. And now I guess I've moved into the position on how to teach the next generation how to be navigators, how to transform their families. And for me, it's the absolute belief in Te Ao Māori, in our cultural narratives, as a approach to life, as a way that we can apply them in modern day settings, and as a medicine for our people. As a way to heal ourselves, a way to connect us back to our whenua, a way to connect us back to Te Ao Māori. With the wānanga that I hold here, it really is instilling into our rangatei that your superpowers is your Māoridom, your Māoritanga, your rongo whakaatatanga. It's not the deficit, it's your superpower. And once you can connect to that, through learning where you come from, learning your cultural narratives, helping out at the marae and all those type of things, then you are able to then share that abundance with other people.